Hi, I'm Ida. Welcome to our channel, Laser Dermatology Treatment. So I've got a gentleman coming in who has been suffering from snoring, but actually he has not been suffering, but the people around him have been suffering from his snoring. He's coming in for his first session of NightLase treatment, and that's the treatment using the Photoner machine. The treatment that offers a course of 3 treatments, 2 weeks apart. So I've already gone through consultation with him and I've gone through what the treatment entails, and he's coming today to start.
So I'll be using the toner machine, using the erbium YAG modality. I'm going to be using this handpiece. And the aim of the treatment, which is called NightLase, is to target laser beam to the back of the throat. That heat that we're creating with the laser will stimulate collagen production. Collagen will then tighten the tissues, which will then shrink a little bit and increase the airspace in the airway and allow him to breathe better.